Hi, I'm Ryan Clark from Team Solitaire, and we're here at the Southwick National in beautiful southern Massachusetts. This is probably one of the roughest races of the year. Unfortunately, we're down one rider this weekend, Jerry Dostal, and the number 61 here won't be competing. He had an injury, he suffered at Hangtown, but myself in the 450 and Ricky Renner on his 250F. And let's see what we can do out here in probably the most treacherous conditions that we experience the whole season.